Aaron with Motorworks here today. We're going to be giving you guys a little bit of an exhaust comparison, and the cool thing about this video is we have two bikes that are the same model, but at any rate, this is about the Scooterworks sport exhaust for the Buddy 50 model. Now this exhaust, and it is outfitted to this green one, this has the sport exhaust. The lavender one still has the stock exhaust. So this is their sport exhaust. Again, this is made by Scooterworks. This can be purchased for $124.99. Now you can find this on our parts website, smwx717parts.com. And if you're watching this video and you're interested in this exhaust, if you go to our website and use the coupon code BUDDYSPORTYOUTUBE, again, that is BUDDYSPORTYOUTUBE. I'm even going to put it down here. I'm going to give you free shipping, and I'm going to give you 15% off this exhaust shipped straight to your door. But again, at any rate, this exhaust is $124.99. You do also have to buy an upgraded main jet. That's like $4.96. And what that's going to do is they give you a claim 3 to 4 mile per hour on the top end, but you're also going to get some low end pickup as well, a little bit better acceleration. And the biggest, most noticeable thing that we found with this exhaust system is that your ability to climb hills. You don't necessarily get that Jurassic speed drop off. But at any rate, we're going to give this one a startup. Actually, we're going to start the stock one first, just so that way you guys can hear exactly what this thing sounds like. So this is an all-stock 2021 genuine scooter company Buddy 50. So now that was the all-stock one. So now this is the Scooterworks Buddy 50 Sport Exhaust System. So now this Sport Exhaust by Scooterworks, it is available for the Buddy 50. They do also make the same style exhaust system for the genuine scooter company Rough House. Now, when you're looking for these exhausts, don't confuse them with the Rough House Sports stock exhaust. This is a completely different system. Again, all you need to do is just get the exhaust, upgrade the main jet. It's a quick, simple installation. All you need to do this installation is a 10mm wrench, 12mm socket, and also an 8mm impact driver or socket, just to switch the old exhaust off. And then two, there's a couple other little things. If you're doing this installation, we recommend buying a new exhaust gasket as well. Those are cheap if you go to order it from us. We'll make sure we get you set up with all that stuff too. But at any rate, me and Kyle, the man behind the camera, we're gonna be taking these things down the road. And where are we going?
Mexico.
You know, we're on the way out here too. I mean, this exhaust, it does make a big difference in tone. Not necessarily a lot louder. It just has that bigger, you know, more build-up, raspier, two-stroke note that, you know, was really common on especially stock, older two-stroke scooters before so much restriction going on. Because essentially that's what this exhaust is doing. It's just giving you less restriction, and with that, you know, you're bumping up the fuel to compensate for that. But it is crazy what just a small pipe and a jet can do. This system with some CVT tuning would be a pretty decent setup for a daily driven scooter that somebody doesn't want to go, you know, real over the top with. But yeah, we'll check in here quick. Alright, so here's the deal. We're going to be doing one race, we're going to be doing one uphill climb, and then we're going to be doing one 30 mile an hour or like 25 mile an hour roll on. But anyways, we're going to be going here. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. So even just right off the hop on this first race, I mean, we went from a dead blow, so no building up the RPMs. That way, you know, the clutch engages right away when you go. This was just from a dead idle. To simulate, like if you're pulling out, you know, and you're on a busier road where you need to get up to speed as quickly as possible. It's just showing you the separation that it created already, just in this first initial race. It's actually a pretty impressive system. But we're going into the church here now, and yeah, we're going to show you a different kind of race here, but we'll go over that then. Alright, so now this is just one last. We're just going to do one more quick race here. Last time we didn't load them. This time we're going to load them up, and then we're going to go out on the road and show you 2 different other tests that this will do. So ready? 3, 2, 1, go. So basically, I mean, if you don't know what loading it up is, that just means that you're going to build the engine speed up to right before where your clutch is going to begin to engage and those types of things. But even there, I mean, loaded up, you know, initially the stock one did get a better hop at it, but up one caught up pretty quick. What we're going to do here is just show the difference as we both pull out. We're going to get next to each other and both lay into it. It's going to show you the distance that this is going to create with this better exhaust on it from Scooterworks. So right here, we're just getting next to each other, getting consistent speed, and then I told Kyle, you know, go. And this is just showing like real world conditions. You know, you're on a road that is, you know, slower speed and you need to accelerate up while you're already moving. This just shows you again the difference that that pipe with that jet, what kind of difference that makes. So, you know, again, too, it is actually, now here, we're probably both pretty much at top speed. I'm very slowly gaining on Kyle now. Nothing that would be that impressive, but it still does show, you know, there's still acceleration all the way throughout the RPM range. And especially with the CVT transmission, RPM range equals out to mile per hour. So. Alright, so this is the last one we're going to do, and then we're just going to show us more back into the shop. But this is an uphill, so starting from an uphill, the difference where this thing just that little bit of extra power makes it different as far as its ability to hill climb here. We just got to wait for one car to go, and then we'll both go. So on this one, we're gonna just get after it right from the start. Like when we go and see what it does. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so Kyle did get the jump on me there, but you know, it's kind of a high tense situation. That Jeep was nice enough to let us out, so he did get the initial jump on me, but even now, this is showing climbing a hill, what a difference that this pipe and that jet make. So, I know I keep saying that, what a difference, what a difference, what a difference, but it is crazy how much better that thing runs with just that pipe and that jet. Like I said, I would be really excited to do some CVT tuning on one. We actually have a rough house. Now it is a rough house sport, so you know people might have the perception it's going to be faster. It's the same speed scooter as a regular rough house, but we have a rough house sport that we're going to be doing the Scooterworks sport pipe on that one, the upgraded main jet on that as well, and then we're also going to be doing CVT build. We're doing a clutch, we're doing a variator face, and we're doing a set of Dr. Pulley sliders. So we're going to be doing that one this coming week. So if you're watching this video, you know, pay attention, or if this is already well past when it posted, you know, you can see on our YouTube page what that one was like before and after, and that would give you an idea of what a stage 1 build on a rough house or on a Buddy 50 would look like. So I'm going to hand you back off to myself. Alright, so I mean you can see there's a difference. Obviously, again, the camera's view, that was on the slower all stock 2021 Buddy 50. I was on the one with the sport exhaust, also the upgraded main jet. Now this does have a windshield, it does have a top case on it, so that will detract speed a little bit, but either way, what you could see from that was obviously top end is significantly better. Your mid to top end range of power is definitely a lot stronger. And then, I mean, you do pick up a little bit acceleration. It's nothing crazy or life-changing. And, I mean, realistically, too, for $130 in parts and an installation you can do at home, you're going to be hard pressed to find a better way to spend money on a genuine scooter company Buddy 50. And again, they do make this exhaust. It is a different exhaust, but they still make the same style exhaust for the rough houses as well. But at any rate, thank you so much for watching. If you can, hit the like button, leave a comment, let me know what you think of this Scooterworks Sport exhaust. Remember that if you are in the market for this exhaust, use the code word BUDDYSPORTYOUTUbe. You get 15% off and free shipping if you buy it from my website, smwx717parts.com. All that stuff's down here. But hit the subscribe button, you stay up to date with everything going on here at Siegfried's Motorworks.